Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back, so like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below. Well, we're about to rip it out of the wall.
Do a little bit of repairs and move some stuff around.
Two things around, and then we're going to take it out of the wall first.
Let's see what's behind this wall. We don't know what's behind here. This is here when we moved in.
They were here for about 2 to 3 years. Who knows how longer? Maybe it black size, maybe it blue. Who knows? They've been in the same exact pot for 2 years. Please. So guys, he's just gonna screw it so we can get it out the wall like that. It's almost out. But the thing is getting a little flimsy. We might move it, guys, if it's not broken.
I might not use it though.
If it breaks.
It's kind of dangerous. It's not gonna hold anything. I might buy you a new one.
We might buy a new one if, yeah. So he's still unscrewing it, says. That says he don't have the right screwdriver, but he made it work. So it might take a little longer than usual, so you get it. Oh, you saw that size? He getting it right out of that wall. Oh my God, what's behind it? Nothing but dents. There's nothing behind it but dents. Oh, also, I see he make it a slide. Ooh. Ooh. So size of that tennis drew on the wall. The size he's ripping it off the wall.
It might not be salvageable.
So yeah, size. So we're gonna move this size and put it up. But he don't have much shoes. We might not even have shoes, or we might have to put it up for the day.
Alright, let's put this up for the day until we get tools.
Or we might have shoes.
No, we don't have that tool.
Besides, we're about to get the neck thing ready and going. He really wants that shoes out so we can like put it up. Maybe right there by the roof. Yes, we were going to try to do Monopoly Deal, but we didn't know how to play, so we want to do some repairs. We decided to do that instead. Get it, size. We don't know how to play Monopoly Deal. We just bought it, so we're going to try doing it. Right there will look perfectly nice. If he got the shoes. So yeah, guys, he was like liver in it. Oh yeah, guys, it would have been nicer above the door. Oh yeah, so he's still getting more now, so it's more secure, and we don't want it falling.
There we go.
Besides, I had some stuff on it though. So yeah, guys, we're done for today.
So this should be done for today. We should need a brace here, but that can come later.
Yeah, we're not putting too much on it. So we have the next step to do, guys. So yeah, guys, we're swapping nets now.
That one didn't go too smooth.
So yeah, guys, he putting all the animals up there. So he's just tossing everything up there so we can get it up and going.
What? Well,
So now he's gonna put it right there, guys.
or-
So there, guys.
nice and toasty next to the tree.
So now we're gonna move that bag and stuff, guys. Seth.
Cause I can't.
Oh yeah, guys. He's just gonna move the baby monitor.
Got a toddler in here.
Yeah, guys, it's a little ridiculous. Oh yeah, guys, we're moving our baby monitor. Here we have a kid in the house, a 5-year-old. Wait, basically a toddler. He home dick soon. Besides, he drop a shoe, but he have to get. But trust me, we're getting it. Don't worry, guys.
Improvise.
What?
I said you gotta improvise sometimes.
Yes, I.
What are we at?
17:55.
Huh?
17:55.
I might not make it 20 minutes.
I know. I'm just getting it up.
Let's play. Record it.
So yes, guys.
There's that.
So yes, guys, we moved everything around today. Ourselves, our nets, everything more. Yes, guys. We moved our backpack and our thing for you guys. Well, we're not gonna move it back over where it was. But just make sure, guys. Bye, guys. We see you tomorrow for videos. Bye, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below. We do have more. We do have a video to do tomorrow, and tomorrow, Saturday, and yeah. So bye, guys. Bye. Like. So, you know, we moved everything around today for you guys. Ourselves for the hardest. And that's what the second hardest, and our backpack and the thing were the easiest. But we took it off in there and brung it over. Pretty simple. Just make sure, guys, to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and shortly comment down below. So bye, guys.